Hello, everybody. This is Irene Santos. I am gonna show you how to deposit money on your Matrix donation account. Okay, you just go there and you enter your account. Okay, then you come here, finance. My site is in Portuguese. Hello, everyone. This is Irene Santos. I am at Matrix Donation, and I'm going to teach you how to deposit money to your Matrix donation account. First, you go then make your log into your site. Then you go here, financeiro says in Portuguese, but it's financial, financeiro. Click here, and the first option here is deposit. Click deposit. Then you this account has 1.42 USDT. There is more. 1.42614961 USDT, less than $2. Then you come here, carregar, in this button. You click this button, then you copy this address. This is the unique address for your account. Also, you can do this, highlight, or you can do this here. Copy address. Copiar endereço. Copy address. Copiado. Now I'm gonna go to my MetaMask, and you don't need to really decide how much you're gonna deposit. You just go there, MetaMask. I have $10 here. I'm gonna send to this address. Send USDT Tether. This one here, $10. I'm gonna send it. Then I put the address that I just copied from the back office. That one, this one here, I copy, and I say $10, and I say continue. Then confirm. I have to confirm. Boom, transaction is complete. The transaction. You can click here to view activity, but if you don't, you wait a little bit, and this screen will change to something, say your deposit was successful or something. So I'm waiting for the confirmation. While I'm waiting for the confirmation, I'll go tell you again. You make a login on your account. You go to finance, access financeiro. Then you click deposit, carregar, que tá aqui, ó, carregar, financeiro, carregar. Then you copy this address here, this one here, this address here, and go in your MetaMask or where you have the money to send to your account, and paste the address, choose the amount, and send it. Let me just refresh the page. Just a second. I want to just a second. Oh, here. I clicked refresh the page, and I couldn't. Let me do it again. No, it didn't work. Then you see this message, deposit atualizado, seu depósito foi atualizado. Deposit updated, your deposit was update it. Fechar means close. Close. Then you see here, this was here before 20. Now I have $10. The amount now is $11.42 because I just deposited $10. Okay. If you have any question, you can contact me on the WhatsApp one, because it's the United States, 415-726-7375. Thank you. Bye.